guys.
And we're going to do more dressing now because dressings, even the organic ones, you look on the market, look at the label, what does it have in it?
Soy, a lot of soy. It's GMO, corn oil, MSG, sugar, chemicals. So you really need to make your own. It's really simple. What's this one about?
This one is just a classic Italian.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I like this recipe because it's got chunks of fresh red pepper and not spicy, but bell pepper and chopped onions. And actually, at the bottom, you shake it up. It's really kind of chunky. It's good.
Let's check it out. Let's see what it tastes like. See if it passes inspection.
On arugula, which is my favorite lettuce.
I eat a lot of salad, so I need a lot of dressing.
He does.
Well, you have it on your teeth there.
I have it on my teeth.
Don't smile.
Okay.
Well, let's just show them how to make it.
Okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.